million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Y'all know what I'm sick of? First, hey, how you doing? Y'all know what I'm sick of? Subscribe. I am sick of these companies releasing wigs in these fancy sounding damn colors, and then there's no swatch of the color. Like literally they release stuff in like Starburst Moon River. And you're like, ooh. And the company where you buying it from, unfortunately, they didn't get a swatch from, you know, the company that made the wig, so it's just up there blank, right? Releasing stuff in Coffee Caramel Mocha Crunch Mountain. No swatch. And in your head, if you're a dummy like me, it's like, oh my God, I gotta have it, right? So it might be a marketing thing with these wig makers. Maybe they make the wigs and don't release the swatches because they know dumbasses like me gonna run out and get them. Bobbi Boss did that recently. Bobbi Boss. Yes, y'all know I'm gonna call them by name. With this wig, ADELYN. Like, they released this wig in some colors that sounded like, oh my God. There were no swatches. If I looked on Wig Types, Elevate Styles, Glamourtress, I looked on It's So Good BB, everything line. They didn't have the swatches at the time when I was ordering these. So much so that I went to Bobbi Boss's website to find the swatches. And you really can't tell from the swatches on there, right? So what my stupid ass do? Ordered 4. And some of the wigs not matching the name. Okay, y'all know I keep it funky with you. Okay, so I got this wig in 4 colors. Y'all, they had me in a chokehold. Okay, the colors, well, first let me say this wig. The wig is by Bobbi Boss. It's part of their Oh Baby collection, which means that it comes with optional pre-style baby hair. It's in the style MLF653 ADELYN, ADELYN. And I got ADELYN in 4 colors. Now, I didn't do any natural colors because you know what the hell a 1B look like, but you don't know what TF1B PST PR looks like, TH Rainbow, TTVVD Berry, or TFP STLGRY. You know what they look like, right? So them the 4 that I got. First, let me show you the colors. First, let me show you. This one is in TT/VVD Berry, okay? And I will give them that. Like, that's a beautiful berry color. So I could kind of see that one. So it's like this turquoise and teal blend. They got blues there, and then they have navy down here at the bottom. I can get them that one. That one matched to me. The next one is one that the model on the stock card is wearing, and to me, the colors don't look the same, okay? The next one is in the color TF1B/PSTPR. I'm assuming that's supposed to be pastel purple. I could be so wrong. We will never know, will we? Okay, so the model on the stock card, if you look, it looked like some light, I thought that was like a light gray, but now that I'm looking at it, it looks like a 613. And you got some blends in there, right? But y'all, look at mine. Mine is so much more vibrant, huh? And this is the color that sold me. It does not look the same to me. It's a beautiful color, but it definitely is different from that model on the stock card. But I didn't stop there. I got others. I also got TFPSTL gray. I'm assuming that's pastel gray, okay? When I put these on my head, you know I'm gonna put the colors up there for you to see. All right, so I didn't know what to expect with this one either, but it's gray, and I do see some pastel pieces in there. Like I see pastel pieces of purple, of blue, even like some, looks like some greens a little bit, so I can give them that one. This next one completely is in the color TH/rainbow. So, you know, we learned it. I'm 4 minutes in, but y'all gotta let me talk, because these wigs I wanna say was $30 a piece, right? That's 3 times 4, no, 4 times. That's $120, right? We know, we learned in middle school that the rainbow, Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. TH, maybe TH. Somebody in the comments tell me, what does TH stand for? Because maybe it just means strip down the back of your head and only 2 rainbow colors. Like, I don't get why they would call this rainbow. They could have called this like fire starter or something. Because all you getting is red, yellow, and orange. I don't see no blue. I don't see no green. Maybe I got a defective wig, but that's it. Now, I will say this. The wig itself looks like it's going to be extremely gorgeous. But that just, I hate it that when they release these colors that they know will grab your attention, and they don't do no damn swatches to none of the companies they know we buy for. And maybe it's a marketing ploy, but let's put them on our heads regardless and look at these colors, and then I'm gonna come back at the end with my final thoughts, even though I'm 6 minutes in already. Be right back. Okay, so now that I'm out my feelings about these deceptive ass color names and not releasing swatches, y'all, I can say that ADELYN is a nice wig. I didn't get any tangling, I didn't get any shedding, but remember, it's straight out of the pack. Like the package came, I filmed them for y'all. Also, what you should know, the one that I was the most disappointed in is this TH Rainbow. And y'all, that's what I got on my hair right now. Because boom, there it is, right? That being said, this should give you an idea. If you want this wig in a more natural color, y'all, she's gorgeous in a, you know, a 1 or 1B. I'm kind of wondering if I got like a defective wig or something, y'all. I just don't see why they call this TH Rainbow. What does TH stand for? The heck? The hell? To hell with these line colors? Like, I just don't get rainbow. But once one of y'all in the comments tell me what the TH stands for, maybe it'll make a little more sense to me. The wig is bomb, and to be honest with you, I ain't decided yet. I might actually keep this one and not put it on Posh because it is gorgeous in black. It's just looking real childish to me right now because, you know, I can't see the back of my head with just that little piece in the back, right? The wig is gorgeous. The other thing I want you to know, it comes as part of this old baby collection that they have. I don't know if they have other wigs yet, but it comes with perfectly laid edges, pre-styled baby hairs. Now, we'll get them that. Y'all know I ain't touched them baby hairs because I'm really not a baby hair person. And them just up there, like, it does look more natural than when they come straight, right? Like, I don't think it looked too bad, even if I don't touch them, right? As a matter of fact, the girl where they started on the stock card it says model shown without baby hair styled or whatever. So ADELYN is a nice wig. I think, y'all, I'm just in my feelings about these freaking colors. Like, they were deceptive as heck to me. The blue one was cute. The one that's on the stock card doesn't look like that in real life. This one, I'm not getting rainbow until y'all tell me what the TH stand for. The one that was probably the most money on was that TF pastel gray. Like, that one probably looked the most realistic. Do I recommend ADELYN? Yes, but I hope this helped you in making your color selections. I recommend her because she's a bomb wig. She puts you in the mind frame of Valentino. Just a little bit longer Valentino in a natural color, but then bam, right? I got some other Bobbi Boss units too that you're gonna see the same look, white tee, red lip. I picked up Bobbi Boss, Noria, Kiera, and Amy in that mocha color that I do like by them. This video ran over, but y'all had to let me vent. In the comments, tell me, do you like any of these colors? And do you think the color swatches are deceptive or not? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon.